Rockwood Wet Dry Shop Vacuum has a 9-gallon capacity with a durable, chemical-resistant tank that won't corrode. Plus, it has an 8-foot power cord and a really long 15-foot hose that's going to allow you to easily move around. And you get all the necessary attachments. We also give you a debris bag to use when you're just cleaning dry materials. It's high volume, high suction, but still has a quiet, efficient motor. Now's the time to purchase a new, quiet, efficient shop vacuum with a 15-foot hose that will make it easier than ever to vacuum your car or clean up spills around the house. Click the button to visit Eastwood.com and get your Rockwood Wet Dry Shop Vacuum today.